Hello children, in our previous class, in the pair of linear equation chapter, we learned so many aspects regarding examples and as well as the exercise problems, in which there are two major methods. One is graphical method, another one is algebraic method. Yes, dear students, today I am going to introduce one of the method in algebraic method, that is substitution method. So let me start. What do you mean by this substitution method? As you know, in our previous class, how to solve the pair of linear equation by graphical method. In the same way, algebraic method also. So now, in the substitution method, the name itself substitution means we have to substitute the one value to other value. So that is why. So the meaning or definition for this one is like this. We have the meaning. We have substitute. We have substitute the value of one variable, consider x or y, anyone, okay, value of one variable expressing in terms of other value called as y, other value, to find or to solve, the linear pair of equations is called substitution method. Yes, once again, we have substitute the value of one variable from which any pair of equations, in which take any one equation in which any one variable called x, which can be expressed in terms of other value, means this value leads to the other value, then we have to solve the given pair of linear equation or pair of linear equations, then it is easy. So here what we can do, so we know that already how to substitute. For example, consider ax plus by plus c, it is 1, okay. Here it is a1, b1, c1, another one, a2x plus b2y, or it has b2y plus c2y. So how we can substitute the value? For example, or it has equation number 1 and equation number 2, through which, so in order to substitution method, first we can find any one of the equations. Consider any one of these equations. Once both equations are equal to 0, means they are leading, okay. So from that we can find any one value. For example, from this one, okay, choose any one of the equation, either 1 or 2, as per convenient. So in the first step we can find the value of any one variable, either x or y. So through which some values are comes. Otherwise, x, consider x. First we can consider x. So x values comes like this. Something values comes. So by using this one, for it has equation number 3. So this value can be substituted in the given equation of second one, because we took x value from equation number 1. So this value comes, or it has third one. This third equations containing the x value should be substituted in the equation number 2. So henceforth another values comes, that is y value. So that y value comes, that y value called as 4. That y value can be substituted in the just now obtained equation number 3. So automatically we get x and y value. This is the three major or simple step how to solve the pair of linear equations by using the substitution method. So this is the very simple method. So now I want to take one example. So other than this general form. So let us take an example. Consider an example. 7x minus 7x minus 15 is equal to 2. Okay, 7x minus 15 is equal to 2. Or call it as y also. Okay, y is equal to. Next, x plus 2y, x plus 2y is equal to 3. Okay, so take. So call it as number 1, call it as number 2. So by substitution method, okay. Now by substitution method. So through which, so take any one of the equations. So I think it is easy. You can already reducible form, which is the reducible form in the given two equation, you can take that. I think it is 2y is equal to 3, through which x equal to 3 minus 2y. Okay, because this can be transferred to this side to become negative. So call it as number 3. So now substitute x value in equation number 1, because I took from 2. Okay, by substitution method from the equation 2 I took from the equation number 2. So x I get, call it as 3. So now this value can be substituted in the given equation number 1. 7 into, instead of x you can put the value of x value here, 3 into minus 2y, okay, minus 15y, it is equal to 2. Okay, consider any general example, not only this. So here multiply 21 minus 14y minus 15y is equal to 2. Okay, minus 21 minus 14y minus 15y, so it is minus 29y. It is equal to, so 21, so can be transferred to this side means minus 2 minus 21. So therefore your 29y it is equal to minus 29y minus of 19. Okay, minus of 19. So this minus get cancelled out. So that is why. So your value become now y is equal to 19 by 29. Y value is equal to, call it as number 4. Call it as equation number 4. Because it is 1, 2 and it is 3 and it is 4. Okay. So in order to find another value, which one? X value. So now substitute this value. This value means this y value. Consider it as y value. Okay. This value in equation number 3. In equation number 3 we get, means we go back like this. Okay, that is how. So x equal to, so that is 3 minus 2y. So that is equal to 3 minus 2y means y is equal to 2 into 19 by 29. Okay, so that is equal to x equal to 3 minus 92, because it is multiplication. Always consider it is a denominator is 1. So numerator denominator can be multiplied. Therefore 92 is 38 divided by 28. On taking LCM, the LCM become 29 because the denominator of the 3 is 1. Consider 3 is the only one whole number or an integer, but its denominator no other number means 1. So 129 LCM must be 29 is. So now take 29. So 29 into 3 is multiply 29 into 3 is. So 27, 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 2, 87. So it is 87 and it is minus 38. Because 29 get cancelled, 38 means yes. So x equal to 87 minus 38. Okay. So 49. What is the answer? Here 49 divided by 29. So observe here, consider it is fifth one. So observe here fourth one and fifth one. So by using these two equations, by using these two pair of linear equations, by substitution method I took any one of the equation, either 1 or 2. So through which I get x value. So it is not in one variable, because here x and y are two variables. I want to eliminate any one variable, so that I took this value into the same equation of any one. So now I get y value. So this value can be substituted again in the equation number 3. We will get x value. So that this is the simultaneous way how to substitute and get the solution, that is x and y. Here it is x value, here it is y value. So now just now and on this we can decide whether the given pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. For example, these are consistent because they have a definite solution. Sometime what happens? The solutions become equal. For example, 19 equal to 19. So this is simultaneously infinitely many solutions. If solutions comes at the last, solutions comes like this, not only 19 and 19, many solutions are there. So if solutions comes like this, means the equations, pair of equations of any one equations can satisfy if both the sides are equal, hence they are infinitely many solutions, they are consistent. And suppose they have no solutions, hence they are inconsistent. Based upon this x and y value, we can decide which is the consistent and which is the inconsistent. So that is why I will discuss with the next one. Now consider exercise problems. So related to the substitution method. So exercise 3.3, solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution method. In which the questions are like this: x plus y is equal to 14, x minus y is equal to 4. First one. Second one, pair of linear equations like this: s minus t is equal to 3, s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. The same way third, 3x minus y is equal to 3, 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. Fourth one, 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3, 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. The last fifth one, root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0, root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. The sixth one, 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2, x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. So remember this one, these are the questions, okay, in which out of this I will solve any 2 or 3 examples. Take first one, so that is solution. Okay, the first one is x plus y is equal to 14. And another one is x minus y is equal to 4. Okay, two variable. So now try to solve. So using already I written solution, henceforth I will take first one as first one equation, second one as second equations. By substitution method, okay, by substitution method, So take any one as the element. I will take second one from 2. Okay, from 2. So that is x minus y is equal to 4. So therefore, take any one variable. Take x or y. So x equal to here 4 plus y means y plus 4 or 4 plus y. Call it as equation number 3. So now substitute this equation. So this value in 1 in equation number 1, because I took second one through which I find the one variable, that is x. Henceforth, so in order to eliminate other one value, you just substitute this third equation's value into the first equation, because from 2 I took. So that is why hence what happened? So this one x plus y is equal to 14 become 4 plus y is equal to 14. So 4 plus y, here it is. Open the bracket, 4 plus y is equal to 14, or y plus y is 2y, it is equal to 14 minus 4. So therefore, your 2y it is equal to 10, or y is equal to 10 by 2. That is by transposing method, by cross multiplication method. So 2 ones are 2 5s. Your value y is equal to 5. So call it as equation number 4. So now substitute this value in equation number 3. So that is why here it is equation number 3. So here x equal to 4 plus 5. So that is x equal to 9. So therefore equation number 5 as, suppose you want, you can name it as 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So here is y value and here is. So therefore from this method x value from the substitution method x value is equal to 9 and y value is equal to 5. So this is our required solutions. Okay, this is our required solution. Go through it. Now take third one. 3x minus y is equal to 3. 1. Another one. 9x minus 3y it is equal to 9. See, in the previous case, I just find out the value of x and y. It means some other values. Both are not equal. Means they have some definite solutions. In the same way, here those pair of linear equations are consistent. And here, what happened here? Now we want to check. So call it as number 1 and call it as number 2. It is number 1. By same method, by substitution method. By substitution method. So eliminate any one of the value. I hope take first one from 1. Okay, from 1. So that is 3x minus y is equal to 3. So 3x equal to 3 plus y, or x equal to 3 plus y divided by 3. Don't cancel this and this because it is a binomial. So call it as equation number 3. So put this value in equation number, means this x value, okay, this x value in equation number. Which one I took? From 1. No, equation number 2. So we put this value in equation number 2. So automatically we get 9 into x means 3 plus y divided by 3. Okay, minus 3y. So it is equal to 9. Okay, so 9. So 3y here. So 3 1 the 3 3 are. Okay, 3. So here is for this term only it is respect for division. Okay, that is why I divide this one. So what is the remainder? 3 plus 3y minus 3y, it is equal to 9. So okay, don't cancel this one and this one because it is not a common term for whole term. So that is why this can be divided by this one only. Now 3 into 3 plus 5, so it is 9 plus 3y, okay, plus 3y minus 3y, it is equal to 9. Now assume here, so plus 3y minus 3y, okay, as one method, it goes cancel because positive and negative opposite of the same or like terms can be cancelled out. So here what left now? 9 is equal to 9. It means here no solution. Now here there are infinitely many solutions. That is why our answer came left side equal to right side. So it is balanced. The equation is balanced due to this value. Means here we cannot find exact value of x and y because there are so many values at which this pair of linear equations have solutions. So that is why we cannot guess directly. So therefore the given pair of linear equations has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions because the pair of equations, observe here, both are equal. I think on reducible form these and these are equal. So that is why this become the value become like this. Means left hand side and right hand sides are equal. Henceforth we cannot guess either x value this one or y value. Infinitely there are so many solutions at which x and value can be obtained. So consider any among them any one of the value for x and y. So that is why it is a consistent and it is a infinitely many solutions. This is the solutions. Now take this fifth one question. Okay, so here one and it is number 2 by substitution method. By substitution method. Okay, so take any one. Okay, so take first one only. Root 2x plus root 3y it is equal to 0. Okay, so x and y variable, these are two coefficients. So in which root 2x keep as it is and you have to shift this one, it become minus root 3y. Okay, otherwise x equal to minus root 3 divided by root 2 into y, or it has equation number 3. So substitute this value. So this value in equation number 2, because I took from 1. Substitution method from 1 I took. So that is why x value 4. So this x value can be substituted in equation number 2. So that is root 3. X means minus root 3 divided by root 2 y. Okay. Minus root 8 into y is equal to 0. So on simplification, here it is, know that already the answers root 3 into minus root 3 it is equal to, because it is a numerator. Okay. So root 3 into root 3 will become minus square, root 3 whole square. Plus into minus 3 square cancel. So here answer comes minus 3. So that is why here it is minus 3 divided by root 2 into y. So that is minus root 8y is equal to 0. So now take common factor here. So what is the common factor? Y. So that is minus 3 by root 2 minus of root 2 root 8 into y is equal to 0. Okay. So on simplification you will get some other equations. Consider this, there is no other variables 1. So that is why here root 2 is the LCM. So minus 3 equals minus root 2 root 8 into root 2, because 1 can divide root 2 by 1 into y is equal to 0. So that is why minus 3 minus root 8 can be expressed as 4 into 2. So into root 2. So divided by root 2, it is into y it is equal to 0. Again on simplification, the square root of 4 is minus 2 into root 2 divided by root 2 into whole y is equal to 0. So this is the simplification. Again minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. This root 2 into root 2 become 2. Okay. Otherwise you can cancel this one also, but here it is binomial. No need to cancel this one and this one. So root 2 become root 2 4. Here it is root 2 into root 2. It becomes root 2 whole square. So that is why square get cancel. Here it is minus 5 into 2. Minus 5 into 2, because this square get cancelled. Divided by root 2 into y is equal to 0. Now on simplifications, okay. So here it is on simplifications. Minus 5 into 10, minus 10 divided by root 2 into y is equal to 0. Okay. So on cross multiplication we will get y is equal to 0, because if you cross multiply it, root 2 into 0 is 0. So that is minus 10 y is equal to 0. Otherwise you can cross multiply it. So again y is equal to 0. Means whatever it may be, y is equal to 0. So therefore whenever y values comes 0, put this value in this one. So your x value also comes to 0. Through this, just I simplified this one like this, and I get the value of y, because minus on simplification minus 10 divided by root 2 into y is equal to 0. Root 2 goes to this side, means by cross multiplication 0 into something is 0 and 0 divided by something is 0. Hence for your y value is 0 and x value is 0. So this is our solutions. So dear students, by this few examples on exercise 3.3, just now I solved 3 examples. So in such a way that we can solve the remaining problems in the first main, and as well as come to the next solution in the next class. Thank you.